Take a look at this 2004 Ford Super Duty F-350 DRW. The Super Duty F-350 DRW has just under 53,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. The Super Duty F-350 DRW boasts a 6.0-liter turbo engine and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power driver's seat, CD player, tow package, driver airbag and sliding rear window. Call 888-339-5028 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.